Hi all, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon and click all for future notifications. Welcome all to another episode of Memory Tech. Today we have some great tech news for you. So keep watching. Reliance Jio is working with Realme and other organizations to go ahead and make an affordable phone in India. This is mainly because they want to move all the 2G subscribers and make an affordable phone for them to 4G and 5G so that it will be inexpensive for them. Reliance Jio's president of devices and mobility went ahead and announced that there is a need for affordable phones in India in Indian Mobility Congress. For the second news, Amazon has invested 1 billion US dollars in Zook's autonomous vehicle startup, and they're going to launch an robot taxi by 14th of December. So it's not getting launched in India. So let's check what future holds for us. As you all know, Reliance Jio chairman Mr. Mukesh Ambani has gone ahead and announced and tweeted out stating that they would be launching their 5G services by the mid of 2021. So that's a great news for all of us over here. He also stated that this is Atmanirbhar Bharat in his statement, stating that they are making it in India. And if you're checking out what I'm holding in my hand over here, this is a Realme 30-watt charger for fast charging. So what I would be going ahead and doing is I'll be making a video on this. So check out the next video about this. Thanks for watching. If you do like the video, please go ahead and like and subscribe the video for any future updates regarding it.